Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Team Blast. I want to share how I use Microsoft advertising for SEO keyword research. So I'm going to pretend a potential client from Staten Island, New York reached out to me and they're a general contractor. Maybe they don't even have a website and they're looking for me to kind of guide them of what I would do next, how many pages I might build out so they can get more customers, more phone calls, and more projects for 2025 and beyond. So this is what I do. So to start, I go to Bing, that's just my search engine of choice, and I search for bathroom contractor Staten Island. Next, I'm going to click on a random listen over here because this is already ranking in the map pack. So this tells me they're doing something right. So I went right to their website and I clicked right on that. Next, I'm going to copy their entire domain and go back into the keyword planner tool within Microsoft. I'm going to paste this right in here so it says your landing page and the entire website. Now I'm going to click on get suggestions. What I love about this is that even though Bing search volume looks at it from a national level, I'm more interested in the keyword buckets that Bing has already grouped for me because this is going to tell me what to do next. So as you see it, if I scroll down here, we have Staten Island, home remodeling, kitchen, home remodel, home improvement. These are really easy, digestible buckets for me to know, what sections we should have on the website. I'm going to take this a step further. I'm going to go over to the export all and click on export. I'm going to open up an Excel document over here. Now this is the same data, but now it's in an Excel format. This is what I do next. I'm going to now create a filter in the very top. So if you're not familiar with how to do that, it's a Control Shift to the right for PC. And then what I like to do is do a Control Shift right, Control Shift down, copy, insert, go to pivot table, hit OK. Now I'm going to go to add group and put that down as the first row and then go to keyword. That's the second. Now already right here, as I zoom in a little bit, you can see that I already have buckets of what the potential page should look like and the keywords maybe I should go after. So terms like bathroom remodeling, that makes sense. Bathroom renovation now, a different type of keyword that I can go after. We have contractors near me, general contractor, handyman. Now, some keywords are not going to be applicable, but really what I'm looking for is to get an idea of what are the potential buckets. So Home Depot, that won't make sense. But home improvement makes a ton of sense for me to maybe go after. Home improvement contractor, that's in the same bucket too. Let's keep going through. Home remodel lean, home renovation, home repair, home Staten Island, home remodel. So this is obviously a lot of good information. I'm going to now remove the keyword section over here, go back into the ad group bucket. So if a potential contractor on Staten Island said, okay, Greg, what would you do next? Well, obviously we would do bathroom remodeling. So I'm going to highlight that. We're going to do bathroom renovation too. General contractor, that makes sense. Handyman, that makes sense too. Let's also look at a few more. Let's do kitchen remodel. So that's a new page that's going to be on the website. And let's look for one more. How about we do anything around, I guess we can do residential remodeling. Sure. So the reason why I like to do it like this is that this gives me now a broad sense of a website that's currently ranking in Bing search results for a lot of different categories. So I can see bathroom remodeling, bathroom renovation, general contractor, handyman, kitchen remodel. This is what I think of. If I was going to work on a brand new website, I'm going to have buckets on the site to go after each individual section. So there's going to be a section about bathroom remodeling, bathroom renovation, general contractor, handyman, and kitchen remodel. So I would do the same thing. I would build out a page, go after each target, the Staten Island area, build out exactly what they do, before and after photos, and then everything else like that. So in summary, I like to use Microsoft advertising. It's an easy way to group in keyword ideas based off what your competitors are kind of already ranking for. This takes a lot of like the drudgery of going through and try to scope out different, ad groups and sections on a website. You can just export that all within Microsoft advertising. You'll kind of know what to work on next. So anyway, I hope this video was interesting and helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and as always, have a good rest of your day.